Canva AI Image Generator. How to use Canva AI Text-to-Image. So go ahead and first open your browser, type in canva.com, and once you're here, make sure to sign up. You have the option to log in or to sign up using your Gmail, Facebook, or email account. So just choose one that suits you best. After signing up, you'll then be directed to the Canva homepage. Now, to access the Canva AI text-to-image feature, we need to create a design first. So tap on the Create a Design button located at the upper right part of the screen. And then here you'll find a variety of suggested canvas size, or you can just create a custom size that fits your need perfectly. For this tutorial, let's just choose the presentation style with a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Once you're on the editing page of Canva, take a look at the left panel. In here, you'll find a set of tools that you can use to edit your design. At the bottom part of this panel, you'll find the Apps option. Tap on it and then a new panel will appear. Scroll down in the Apps panel until you find the Text-to-Image feature. It is under the Create Something New tab. This is a new addition to Canva that allows you to generate an image from your text description. So to use this, just click on the Open button and you'll see a description box where you can type in anything you want to turn into an image. So let's say you want to generate an image of a cat face covered in paint beside another cat. So just type that into the description. So just type that into the description box, and once you're done, you can choose from a variety of styles for your image. You'll find options like filmic, watercolor, normal image, dreamy, retro anime, and a lot more under the digital art and fine art categories. Select the style you prefer. So for example, I want to choose the neon style. You can also choose the aspect ratio of your image, so whether you want it to be square, portrait, or landscape. Once you've made your selections and you're done with your description, click on the Create Your Image button and then wait for Canva to generate your photo. Please note that this process may take some time, but once it's done loading, you'll be presented with 4 photos that Canva AI has generated based on your description. You can simply tap on a photo that you like and it will then appear on your canvas. Now, if you're not satisfied with the results, you can always tweak and edit your description and click on Create again. This will generate a new set of images based on the updated description. You can also click on the Create button again without changing your description, and it will generate a fresh set of images as well. Now, here's an important thing to take note. Canva AI allows you to generate up to 24 images only per day, so make sure to utilize them wisely. To get the best results, here's a useful tip. Open a new tab in your browser and type in Lexica. Lexica is a search engine for images that is generated by artificial intelligence as well, specifically Stable Diffusion. So this can be a great source of getting inspiration for your descriptions. So once you're on Lexica website, you can scroll through the gallery and choose an art style that you like. For example, let's say you found an image that you love, but you want to change one element in that image. So on the left side of the window, you'll find the description of the image. It provides the details about the specific art style, the resolution, the background, and other elements. So what we need to do is to copy the description, go back to Canva, paste the description, and make any necessary edits. By doing this, you'll create a new different image with the same art style, but customized to your preferences. It is a great way to tailor the results to your specific needs. In addition to browsing the Lexica gallery, you can also use the search bar if you have something specific in mind, but you're not sure how to describe it. Let's say you type in house nature. Lexica will present you with relevant images based on your words. From there, you can then copy and paste the description to Canva. And let's say I want to choose the psychedelic art style and then click on create your desired picture. Another useful feature of Lexica is the ability to search by tapping on specific words in the description boxes. For example, let's say you want to tap on photorealistic. Lexica will then load and display a collection of images categorized under that style. This allows you to explore more images that match your preferences. And from here, you can then copy again the description of images to generate images on the Canva AI. Once you're done collecting images from the AI tool, you can tap on other tools on the left panel and add in text on your layout. So just tap on text, add the text, and type in what you want. You can also utilize the elements area where lines, shapes, graphics, stickers, photos and videos, and even audios are available to enhance your layout for free. So you can just play around here until you finalize your image. Now that you have your images, you can use these layouts to create stunning YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, covers, banners, and even design products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. So let just your creativity flow and make the most out of these incredible features. So that is how to use Canva AI Text-to-Image. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.